But first, we are working breaking news on the ongoing coronavirus concerns. There are now 2 more positive cases of COVID-19 here in Rhode Island. Those 2 patients, a man in his 50s and a woman in her 40s, are both recovering at home. The man had a recent travel history to Germany and the UK. Health officials are working to determine the origin of the woman's illness.
Today, Governor Raimondo also announced the Small Business Administration has approved her disaster declaration. That means low-interest loans of up to $2 million will be available for businesses and nonprofits in Rhode Island.
Governor Raimondo says she expects to make an announcement tomorrow on whether school closures will continue past this Friday.
Now, here are the latest numbers tonight. In Rhode Island, we have 23 cases of coronavirus. There have been 403 negative tests, and 3,000 people are currently in self-quarantine.
Over in Massachusetts, there are currently 218 cases, including 5 in Bristol County.
Now, we want to tell you that here at Eyewitness News, we are adhering to recommendations from the CDC and health officials to stay 6 feet away from each other. So
you will no longer see us sitting at the desk together, but rather we'll always be in different places in our studio.
And tonight at 5 o'clock, we have team coverage on the coronavirus. For the very latest from Governor Raimondo, we go live to Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian in Providence. Kim.
Well, Caroline and Mike, earlier today, Governor Raimondo outlined some new options and directives, for local employers during these unprecedented times.
I'm asking everyone else.
Amid the coronavirus pandemic, Governor Raimondo encouraging all businesses have their employees work remotely.
Microsoft has agreed to provide their Office 365 program for free for the next 6 months to all employers.
The new resource coming alongside newly available small business loans
that the SBA has approved of our disaster declaration request, and there will now be loans available to all of Rhode Island small businesses for up to $2 million for working capital.
The governor says employers should call 521-HELP or visit the state's technology department website. Additionally, the Rhode Island Foundation and United Way have teamed up to create a fund for nonprofits that work with folks in poverty or who are homeless. This as Rhode Island announces 2 new cases, a man in his 50s with extensive travel history and a woman in her 40s. The source of her illness is currently unknown.
These individuals are both at home and they're both recovering. That brings our total number of positives to 23. We have had 403 negative tests, and close to 3,000 people are now self-quarantining.
The health department out with new guidelines directing all dentists to suspend non-urgent treatments for 21 days and calling on families to keep funerals and wakes to 25 people or less.
This is a hard message to deliver, but this guidance is about keeping the other people in your life, those other loved ones in your life, healthy and safe.
Rhode Island is handling this as well, if not better, than any other state. It doesn't mean it's easy. It's still going to get worse before it gets better. And if we stay level-headed about it and follow the directions, we're going to get through it.
And again today, the governor says she expects to have an announcement tomorrow on the status of Rhode Island's public schools and whether kids will be back in those school buildings next week or not. Again, that address will come tomorrow afternoon. We will bring that to you live right here on WPRI 12 and also on our website, WPRI.com. For now, reporting live in Providence, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.
First, we are working breaking news on the ongoing coronavirus concerns. There are now 2 more positive cases of COVID-19 here in Rhode Island. Those 2 patients, a man in his 50s and a woman in her 40s, are both recovering at home tonight. The man had a recent travel history to Germany and the UK. Now, health officials are working to determine the origin of the woman's illness.
Today, Governor Raimondo also announced the Small Business Administration has approved her disaster declaration. That means low-interest loans of up to $2 million will be available for businesses and nonprofits in Rhode Island.
Governor Raimondo says she expects to make an announcement tomorrow on whether school closures will continue past this Friday.
And here are the latest numbers tonight. In Rhode Island, we have 23 3 cases of coronavirus. There have been 403 negative tests, and 3,000 people are currently in self-quarantine.
In Massachusetts, there are currently 218 cases, including 5 in Bristol County.
And we want to tell you that here at Eyewitness News, we're adhering to recommendations from the CDC and health officials to stay 6 feet away from each other.
So you will no longer see us sitting at the desk together, but rather we'll always be in different spots.
And tonight we have team coverage of the coronavirus. For the very latest from Governor Raimondo, we go live to Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian in Providence. Kim.
Well, Caroline and Mike, earlier today, the governor outlined some new directives and also some new options for local businesses during this unprecedented time.
I'm asking everyone else.
Amid the coronavirus pandemic, Governor Raimondo encouraging all businesses have their employees work remotely.
Microsoft has agreed to provide their Office 365 program for free for the next 6 months to all employers.
The new resource coming alongside newly available small business loans.
That the SBA has approved of our disaster declaration request, and there will now be loans available to all of Rhode Island's small businesses for up to $2 million for working capital.
The governor says employers should call 521-HELP or visit the state's technology department website. Additionally, the Rhode Island Foundation and United Way have teamed up to create a fund for nonprofits that work with folks in poverty or who are homeless. This as Rhode Island announces 2 new cases, a man in his 50s with extensive travel history and a woman in her 40s. The source of her illness is currently unknown.
These individuals are both at home and they're both recovering. That brings our total number of positives to 23. We have had 403 negative tests, and close to 3,000 people are now self-quarantining.
The health department out with new guidelines directing all dentists to suspend non-urgent treatments for 21 days and calling on families to keep funerals and wakes to 25 people or less.
This is a hard message to deliver, but this guidance is about keeping the other people in your life, those other loved ones in your life, healthy and safe.
Rhode Island is handling this as well, if not better, than any other state. It doesn't mean it's easy. It's still going to get worse before it gets better. And if we stay level-headed about it and follow the directions, we're going to get through it.
And again, today, the governor says she expects tomorrow she will have an announcement to make about the status of public schools here in Rhode Island. We will bring you that address live as it happens right here on WPRI 12 and on WPRI.com. For now, reporting live in Providence, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.